welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to be doing a worship song by Love Singers, led by Chuka, and the title of the song is Lord We Praise. We're going to be playing it in the key of C sharp or D flat. Alright, so before we begin, I would like to use this opportunity to thank everyone who subscribed to the channel. If you're watching on YouTube, there's a beginner series on my playlist, 53 videos for you to learn. If you're on Facebook too, there's also the beginner series for you. I'm going to be posting it. And then if you are on Cflix, which is one of the platforms that the Love World has, I would like you to also subscribe. And I would like to also thank King's Chat for making the videos available for others to see, so that they can also learn and be able to play it in their churches. Thank you very much, and God bless you. All right, so the progression of the song is a 1 3 2 5. So in a key of C sharp, you're going to be playing a chord 1, a chord 3, a chord 2, and then a chord 5. And let me say that is the whole chords for the song, as lengthy as it is. All right, so Lord, we praise your name. Lord, we praise your name. Oh, we praise the name of Jesus. All right, so the very first two verses, this is how you're going to be playing it. A chord 1 for beginner, a chord 3, a chord 2, and then a chord 5. Alright, so to spice it up, you can be playing 1. There is also the a 3, but you're going to be adding the extreme to it, making it a minor chord. Yeah, so yeah, aside playing this normal one for beginners, you can advance and then add something to it. 3, 2, like that. I'm creating this pattern for you so that you'll be able to play it well. All right, so otherwise you're supposed to play it once. So if you don't have a lead guitar playing this for you whilst you play your chords like this, so you're playing the 2 here, and then you're extending it here. Okay, you could also play this inversion. It's the same 2. All right, so 1, left, right, right. Long way you So the next, after the next 2 stanzas, the third one, which is the bridge, consecrated unto you, whatever we require, so that's the only part of the song where you play a diminished chord. That's a flat 5 chord before the 5 itself. Alright, so chord 1. Now if you play your chord 1 like this, it's simpler for you to play a chord 3. You just remove the index here and then you move it the left. Then when you are playing the chord 2, the 2 comes here and then you play a 4 on the right, making it a 2 extended like this. Alright, then you play a 5. Then where the bridge is, whatever you require, ta-da, Lord we pray. So thank you for being a part of this tutorial. I hope you are able to follow and learn. If you have any comments, leave it in the description box or in the comment below, and you can also send me a WhatsApp message. I'll reply it, and then that'll be it. Thank you. Keep on sharing the link, subscribe as well, and then see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.